Here I have NISSAN Ariya Nismo, and let me show you how to enable the tire eco advice. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the following screen on your dashboard. On your screen behind your steering wheel, you can navigate here by using the arrows button. On your steering wheel, you should find the left and right arrow on the left side. Let's just simply press the right arrow a few times to highlight the settings. If you highlight the settings, let's press the OK button to enter it. And then under settings, let's scroll down until you see the eco settings. Under eco settings, you can find a few interesting features. Let's scroll down here to tire eco advice. As you can see, you can press the OK button to enable or disable the tire eco advice. And to let me enable this feature is a smart reminder system that focuses on your tire pressure to help you save energy. What it does, it monitors your TPMS, tire pressure monitor system. If your tire pressure is too low, the car will give you a specific eco advice alert on the dashboard. Why it matters? Low tire pressure creates more friction, rolling resistance, between the rubber and the road. This makes the car work harder and can significantly reduce your driving range, sometimes by up to 5 to 10%. So the advice is to keep this feature on. Alright, so that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.